How many similar video clips have you seen on the internet? Hi, my name is Yu Ying. I'm currently studying environmental science at UMass Lowell, and today I'm here to talk to you about recycling. The current recycling system in the US is fairly broken. Only 35% of what we put into the recycling bin actually becomes something reusable, and the other 65% would just end up in the landfill like everything else. When we look at the lifetime of a product, it's usually a straight line. Production, distribution, consumption, and after we use it, we throw it out. How can we complete the life cycle of a product we use? Recycling was meant to do that, but the biggest problem with recycling is contamination. Sometimes because of a single plastic bag, the whole barrel of recyclable materials will be dumped in the landfill. There are still many people out there that tries their best to recycle everything they can. But there are also many people that just dumps whatever they have into the recycling bin. For whatever reason it is, now everything in that recycling bin would be contaminated and will end up in the landfill. But what if we can prevent those recyclable materials from being contaminated by people who don't care? The best way to do that is to only focus on people who do care about recycling and the environment. So I come up with this idea of providing a service to people who would like to separate their everyday trash into 5 different categories with the correct guidance, such as paper, cardboard in one, different numbered plastics in another, aluminums, glass, and compost. And whenever their container gets filled, they can just request pickup from our website, and someone would come by and empty those materials out. And those materials would be brought to a warehouse where more of these different recyclable materials are being collected. And if the material is being put in an incorrect container or there's contamination, we would send them a message and prevent such thing from happening again. Once we've collected enough recyclable materials, we will sell it to a process plant. My goal is to be able to provide this service to anybody who would want to participate in the greater Lowell area. But for now, I'll be targeting apartment complexes, since some of them do not offer recycling service due to the extra costs. And it would only be for the people who are willing to participate. We would have a point reward system depending on how much material the participant have recycled and recycled correctly. We will put points into their profile. And once the points are accumulated, they will be able to claim their rewards, which would mainly be reusable, recycled, or zero-waste products. With the funding from the Difference Maker, I'll be able to make a website and start a pilot program with one of the apartment complexes. With the pilot program, I'll be able to have a stronger foundation from my project and be able to expand to more households. As the population continues to grow, trash is becoming one of the biggest problems around the world and a huge threat to our ecosystem. With the correct guidance to recycling, we could help improve the landfill pollution issue by completing the life cycle of each product we use. Thank you.